Let me show you how to turn this on before I tell you how it works. The first thing you need to do is to open up YouTube Studio just like so. So once you're on your YouTube Studio, the next thing you need to do is to navigate to this settings. As you can see settings here, you click on settings. Once you click on settings, it automatically brings you up to this interface. The next thing you need to do, you come here and it says upload defaults. Once you click on upload defaults, it brings you to this section. Then you can click on advanced settings. Once you click on advanced settings, it automatically brings you up to this interface. So today we'll be focusing on this new tool that is introduced by YouTube. It is called the automatic dubbing. So as you can see, mine is turned on. As you can see, this is automatic dubbing. I can just turn it on just like so. So let me quickly explain to you how the automatic dubbing works, because it actually makes your video go viral. I will explain. It actually makes your video go viral in the sense that once you create a YouTube video in your own language, for example, you are watching this video in English. So this is what happens when someone in China is also watching this particular video. The person will hear me speaking in Chinese language, and also the title, description, and everything about this video will be automatically translated in China, that is in Chinese language. Do you get? So this simply means that once you make a video in English and it is being suggested to people in Japan, Chinese, Korea, Pakistan, India, so any other country that does not speak English, once your video gets there, this automatic dubbing automatically change your voiceover. Like it changes your voice from speaking English into their own language. It changes your description, your title, everything about this video into their own preferred language. So for better understanding, retention, and assimilation. So guys, in summary, once automatic dubbing is turned on your account, more people will watch your video and it will be suggested to more people, and in turn you'll be getting massive views. But this guys, automatic dubbing is actually in its test mode, so it might not be available for every account. So let me know in the comment section if you actually have the automatic dubbing active in your account. But if you're lucky to have the automatic dubbing in your account, go ahead to turn on the automatic dubbing and save that settings and start bagging those massive views. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.